All right. I finally figured out how to do the GoPro Picardo. This is my 2021 Can Am Ryker 900. So far, I love it, and it makes me much more willing to get out and ride because it has two wheels in front, one wheel in back. All right. To get this thing started, push the thing up, push that down, your foot on the brake, and then you have to hear the beep, and then push the button, and there we go. And then when you're ready to go, this is like the parking brake. You just flip it down, and now we're ready to go.